Welcome back to my channel. I am feeling a little under the weather this week, so I'm going to spare you the visual. Lucky you. Today's video is like, kind of call it a cherry holiday cake, but really it's kind of a cherry bread cake because it's a cross between those beautiful breads that we have like for breakfast and snacking and a cake. It's very moist, it's delicious and versatile. I hope you like it. Now, since I wasn't feeling like my normal self, I obviously didn't put any effort into presentation. However, bear in mind you could put a lovely confectionery sugar glaze over this, or as I did show in the picture, I saved some of the cherries and I pureed them and had a little drizzle over. That was delicious as well. And you can also, this is fabulous the following day, you can have a square that you slice in half, through the center and butter it, and with the buttered side down and brown it in like a fry pan. Oh, outstanding. Thank you so much for joining me. And again, sorry I didn't make an appearance. I hope you liked the video. I hope you find the cake delicious. And I will see you next week. Take care. Stay healthy. Till then.